The Voney Art Studio has been the heart of the Studio Arts program here at Principia College for the past 50 years. With the help of some generous donors, Voney has recently undergone some much-needed renovation. Our new lobby boasts the grand staircase, using reclaimed wood from the trees that once stood on this spot. New glass windows throughout the building and a more open floor plan bring in natural light and foster a sense of artistic community. Principia students of all majors can enjoy this space for creativity, with dedicated areas for each artistic discipline. The new Voney Center for the Arts is a welcoming, communal space where artists and non-artists alike gather to find peace, reflect, and pursue their creative instincts. There is nothing like the peace and calm overlooking the mighty Mississippi from the Voney deck. With glorious sunsets and the natural beauty of the river, how could one not feel inspired by this view?